Azure Machine Learning Solution for Sentiment Analysis for Social Media Monitoring. Detailed solution. Problem definition. Businesses need to understand public sentiment towards their brand to make informed decisions and improve customer engagement. Solution approach. Use natural language processing, NLP, techniques to analyze social media data and determine sentiment. Architecture components. 1. Data collection, Azure Event Hubs. 2. Data storage, Azure Cosmos DB, Azure SQL Database. 3. Data processing, Azure Databricks. 4. Model training, Azure Machine Learning. 5. Model deployment, Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS. 6. Monitoring, Azure Monitor. 7. Visualization, Power BI. Here are the steps involved in the data flow. 1. Capture social media data. 2. Forward data to event hubs. 3. Store data in Cosmos DB or a SQL database. 4. Process the data in Databricks. 5. Utilize Azure ML for data analysis. 6. Deploy the model to Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS. 7. Perform real-time sentiment analysis. Algorithms and models, text classification, sentiment analysis models using transformers, for example, BERT. Expected outcomes, enhanced brand reputation management, improved customer engagement, data-driven decision-making. Implementation plan. 1. Data collection, set up Azure Event Hubs to collect real-time social media data streams. Integrate with social media APIs to fetch posts, comments, and other relevant data. 2. Data storage, store unstructured social media data in Azure Cosmos DB for high availability and low latency. Use Azure SQL Database for structured data storage. 3. Data processing, set up Azure Databricks for data preprocessing and transformation. Clean and preprocess text data using Databricks notebooks, including tokenization, stop-word removal, and stemming. 4. Model training, create an Azure Machine Learning Workspace. Upload prepared datasets to the ML Workspace. Develop sentiment analysis models using NLP techniques and transformer models like BERT. Evaluate model performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. 5. Model deployment, containerize the trained model using Docker. Deploy the containerized model to AKS for real-time sentiment analysis. 6. Monitoring, set up Azure Monitor to track model performance and trigger retraining as needed. Monitor social media sentiment trends and generate alerts for significant changes. 7. Visualization, create dashboards in Power BI to visualize sentiment analysis results, trends over time, and key insights. Enable real-time updates to track ongoing social media conversations and sentiment shifts. For your job skills conversion from Azure ML to generative AI, learn how our coaching can help you to scale you up faster through https://skumarcoaching.com/https://skumarcoaching.com/conclusion. Leveraging Azure Cloud Services for various advanced solutions can significantly enhance operational efficiency, reduce costs, and improve decision-making across different industries. The detailed solutions and implementation plan provided for this live scenario demonstrate the versatility and power of Azure in addressing complex challenges. By following these structured approaches, organizations can harness the full potential of Azure to drive innovation and achieve their business objectives. Note: for your job skills conversion from Azure ML to generative AI, learn how our coaching, from Shanti Kumar V, can help you to scale up faster through https://skumarcoaching.com/https://skumarcoaching.com/. We wish you good luck in your upskilling in IT AI era. Use our Kumar Coaching for your self-learning contact for your IT profession scaling up faster.